Hey, here I am up in the mountains again. Gonna try out this new hand-free video camera that my buddy Rick turned me on to. Saved me over $100 from what I was gonna buy. Anybody knows Rick, I know that doesn't surprise him, but let's see if I can get a video of the winch today. So I'll see you on the other camera, hopefully. Okay, let's test out this new video camera with a chest harness. I definitely did not like hooking it to my helmet. Couldn't get it adjusted to get the right view, and I might not be able to here. Run a test on this. I ran across this the other day, this spring, which is above our spring that feeds our house. And it don't look like a lot of water, but as dry as it's been up here, that is a lot of water. And something that needs looked into to tap into and get into our regular spring, which I'll show you some other day, and capitalize on that. Looks like it goes underground there. There's a hole there. Okay, well, back to testing this. I don't know what is the best angle to set this at, but do a little walking around here. I think I'm going to like this a little better than the other one, I think. See if I can read that out there when I finish this test. Okay. Neat thing, I got a wrist thing here to turn on and off the video, so